It's a wrap, but we haven't even started yet. I know, I'm talking about the food.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal does not have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes for under $2 a plate.
Here's the deal, guys. If you prep food, you're gonna save money. Because when hunger strikes, you're gonna have food that you can eat, and that's gonna prevent you from getting takeout. Takeout's expensive, so meal prep is cheap because it saves you time and money. Wraps are great because anything that's chopped up can be wrapped up, and it's portable. Today we're making breakfast burritos. They're portable, you can freeze them. They save you money because they're saving you time because you made them in advance. Ground sausage meat. It is much, much cheaper if you buy it ground and not in link form. Plus, it's more versatile when you don't have to decase it. Here we go. Okay, turn it down. Eggy weggies. Mix it in there. Okay, move it around. A little bit of salt. Opportunity. Whoa, that is done. Eggs, cheese, tortilla. These are tiny burritos. You could have one, or you could have three, or you could have four. You can literally do whatever you want. Come on in, baby. Bake them right away. Seam side down, into cast iron. Oven, 15 minutes. Cheese melts, tortilla turns brown. While those are in the oven, we have an opportunity to create a topping. Lucky avocado. With just a little bit of lime, a little bit of salt, package drawer. Mix it around. That's it. Mini burritos are ready. Listen, nice and crispy in the oven. The cheese is melty. Why don't we inspect further? Sauce on top. So this wonderful plate of breakfast burritos is only $1.94. Had I made these and frozen them and eaten them tomorrow, I would have saved time and money. Then I've saved money by using decased sausage and making my own topping. It's really good. I mean, it's a breakfast burrito, you know? It's got cheese, it's got the mild taste of sausage, and then it's got this wonderful zing, but this isn't the only thing we can wrap up. No, we can wrap up breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And you know what? It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. We're gonna make a chicken Caesar wrap. And that means we start with a head of romaine. Parmesan cheese. Now, you're really gonna save money if you buy it in a block. All you have to do is keep it tightly wrapped. This is one of those things that's worth the investment, like your food will taste way better. Breadcrumbs. They have absolutely no smell. I don't know why I just did that. A little bit of Caesar dressing. I always like to go around the edges. It reminds me of my garde manger days. Here's the real thing that saves the time, the pre-cooked chicken. This whole thing is only quick if your chicken is pre-cooked. So it could be leftover chicken, it could be poached chicken, it could be rotisserie chicken, it could be chicken nuggets. The point is, they should be fully cooked and ready. So all you have to do is chop and dump. Around the edge and in. Perhaps a little bit of salt. Wrap it up. Some salad, some chicken. Sides come in. Like that, over the top, roll. This costs $1.98. I'm going to cut it on an angle because I'm fancy. Boom, look at that. I'm particularly jonesing on these spinach tortillas, man. Whoa, that is salty and crunchy from the breadcrumbs. I'm really, really digging it. Plus, that spinach flavor is like awesome. And I feel like I'm getting iron. I'm gonna get super duper strong. $1.98, delicious flavor, crunch from breadcrumbs, portability. What more do you want? Wrap up your lunch for tomorrow. Have it ready in advance. But if you think we're done, we're not. Because guess what? It's dinner time. Sometimes I wake up a little early in the morning and I say to myself, if I do some prep, I'll have dinner. And you know what? That's the right attitude, because if you do this in advance, dinner will be very, very quick. Let's talk about marinades. They take time, but if you do them in advance, they don't take any time. It's like it was already done, because that's what you did. You did it before. Ginger. Garlic will help agitate it off. Garlic and ginger are a winning combo, like Simon and Garfunkel. Rice wine vinegar. This stuff is lovely. Woo! Tablespoon. Packet drawer. Soy sauce, 4. Sugar, 1. Sriracha. Look at all this free, delicious flavor. Okay, Sriracha packet in. Sugar, Always delicious on a steak. It caramelizes, it brings out sweetness, and it kind of burns, so it gives you that delicious grilled taste. Here we go, guys. We have some top sirloin, and this is a very affordable piece of meat because it's kind of tough and it lacks fat, but the marinade will soften it. Struggle seal. There we go. This is starting. I'm gonna set it aside. I'm gonna do our cabbage because that also needs time. Cabbage! This is gonna be a wonderful coleslaw, and the best thing about cabbage is that it's really cheap. It is like among the cheapest stuff. Both of these guys need a couple of hours to turn into something lovely. So, if you prep it in advance, you will have dinner very, very quickly. This one needs to go in the fridge. I'm gonna do that now. A lot of water drained out, and this became a lot softer. Carrots, mayonnaise, sriracha, rice wine vinegar. The meat is in the pan. It's gonna be absolutely delicious, but you really need to pay attention. So it's about 4 minutes on each side to get it to about a beautiful medium. If you go more than that, it's gonna get dry really, really quickly. 358, 359, 4 minutes. Ah, hurry! Beautiful, mamma mia. 4 minutes. Beautiful on both sides. Nice, smells lovely. Now this needs to rest. Do not cut into it or you will lose moisture. And that means you're gonna have a dry wrap. You don't want a dry wrap. The moment has arisen. My friends, our wraps, collard greens. They just need a 20-second dunk in the water and a little shaving. Collard greens can be a little bit tough. 1, 2, shabu shabu, right in the water. Just move it back and forth. That's it. That was 10 seconds. Ready to be wrapped. I say you go in half first this way, have a peek. Gorgeous medium rare, my favorite way. Find the way that the muscle fibers are going and go perpendicularly against them, okay? It just makes the mouth feel a little bit better. Little test. Delicious. The collard green, the ultimate fibrous wrap that is also secretly giving you more vegetables. We should all be getting more vegetables. Steak. Boom, 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 boom. Some slaw. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is quick. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You got it, that's a wrap. This wrap was really quick to put together because we did everything in advance. That's sort of like the secret to cooking. Let's see how it is. Very tasty. This may seem really obvious, but if you prep food the night before or the morning of, you're gonna save money. Why? Because you're not gonna go looking for lunch. You're gonna have it made in a portable package. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner can all be wrapped up. Prep it up, wrap it up.